In this video, we are going to talk about some specific Google Merchant Center error and we bring you some solutions and tips on how to fix it. Targeting more countries with one domain. Remember, if you will use the same data for more countries, there will be errors for sure. Each product feed is required to be localized, so it makes it unique. For example, price in the local currency, titles and description in the local language. How to fix this? The fix for this is simple. Just don't use the same product feed for multiple countries without editing it. Also, you should never target these countries with a single website. Make more of them for every country you want to advertise in. Why there are so many people turning to BlueWinston? In BlueWinston, thanks to your feed you can cover up to 5 types of Google advertising campaigns to get the best results and maximize your sales. Product search and shopping campaigns you can create via BlueWinston. Product text ads for specific products, products group text ads, dynamic search ads for products, human search based ads, smart shopping ads. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe or watch the next video.